it's Marissa again. We're on our third Minikit Monday layouts. I have here the marquee stickers, and guess what? I ran out of Ace, so I brought out a new one. So we're going to use that. We're also going to hopefully be able to use this. I'm looking at possibly using this alphabets down here. Then today's going to be a scrappy layout. So we're going to use all these papers here that you've seen me use in previous layouts. We are going to scrapbook these two photos here that I printed from my Canon selfie, and these are two other papers that we are going to use. And we are going to start scrapbooking. So let me put this on the side, and we're going to start cutting. So let me go ahead and cut this. I'm going to cut 1 inch off of this, and I'm going to divide this into two, so which means this is going to be a 1x6. This one is going to be a 1 inch again, but this one is going to be cut to 1x5. And then this last one here, we're going to cut this again by 1 inch, but this is going to be cut to 1 by, let me see, I'll put 3 inches on this one. Okay, and then we are going to go to the next set of bigger papers here. Let me go with this one first, and I'm looking at cutting this down to 8.5 by 8.5. So let's do that now. And then this one I am thinking of cutting to 3 inches by maybe 10.5. All right, let's play with this layout. As you can see, I'm using a solid cardstock here for our base. Oh my gosh, guys, my camera stopped again. I did cut out the photos, the papers, and I did cut this to 8.5 by 8.5, 3 by 10.5, 1 by 6, 1 by 5, and 1 by 3. And what I did was just stack them up. I just did a eyeballing of maybe 1/2 inch each from this end. So 1/2 inch from the edge, and then about 1 inch from the edge. And I kind of eyeballed this part here by 1/2 inch each, and I just stacked them up. Then I did this big one here, this pattern paper here, and I did a 1/2 inch up here and 1/2 inch here, and then I kind of eyeballed it and then just stack it down. This paper here, I put it in the middle. Again, I just eyeballed it. I didn't measure, and you guys know I don't normally measure. And then I put the two photos in the middle. And then I put a straight glue. I put a glue right in the middle under here because I know I was going to use Thanksgiving here. And I just put a glue straight out. And I spelled out Thanksgiving from this, the sticker pack or the sticker sheet from the Fall Blessings kit. And there it is. And then I took the letters from these two sets of marquee stickers, and I spelled out feast, and I did the natural, the normal way that I normally put down my letters or my alpha stickers, and I used my glue with the help of my 11th finger. Anyway, guys, here is our layout. I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to show you, or my camera turned off when it did, when I was filming this to tack everything down. But anyway, here it is, guys. This is our layout, our third Minikit Monday layout for the month of October. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Anyway, guys, we're going to go on to our fourth layout here on the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We're trying to grow our family here at My Scrap. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you guys later. Be well and be safe out there. Bye.